In today's lecture, we will discuss about some basic definition for circuit. Okay. The first point is node. Before talking about node, let us understand what is a circuit. Okay. A circuit is a simple combination of source of supply, connecting wires and electrical components. Okay, see in this figure, okay, a resistor, a lamp, a key, a cell is connected to each other by a connecting wire. This is the connecting wire. Okay, this is a connecting wire. Fine. Now resistor, lamp, key, these all are electrical component and also cell. Fine. All these elements are connected by a connecting wires, and in this circuit the cell is known as source of supply. Fine. Source of supply. Thus circuit is a simple connection of source of supply like cell, battery, connecting wires and electrical component. A circuit is said to be in working condition when a current I is flowing through the circuit. Fine. Now let us talk about what is node. Fine. A node is a point in a circuit where two or more than two elements are connected. Fine. Depending upon how many elements are connected at a point or a node, the nodes are classified into two types. First one is simple node, second one is principal node. Okay. When two elements are connected, then it is known as simple node, and when more than two elements are connected, then it is known as principal node. Okay, let us understand this by a simple figure. Here on screen you see that there is a figure in which A and B are two nodes. By seeing this diagram, we need to tell that whether A is a simple node or a principal node. See, at node A, 1, 2. Okay, two elements are connected. This means it is a simple node. Okay, this is a simple node. See, at point B, 1, 2 and 3. Three elements are connected. From the definition, we know that when more than two elements are connected, then it is known as a principal node. That means it is a PN, that is principal node. Okay. Now let's discuss about third definition. What is a network? A network is the interconnection of two or more electric circuits. That is, when more than two circuits are connected, then it is known as a network. Fine. Next definition is what is a junction. Junction is also known as principal node. Here we discuss about principal node. Okay. Next is branch. Let's suppose we have a figure in which there are two principal nodes. Okay. From one principal node to another principal node, the path is known as branch. Okay, known as branch. Next one definition is closed path. Closed path is consists of various branches of circuits which finishes at the point where it started. Okay, closed path is also known as a loop. ठीक है, it means any path along which various branches of circuits are coming. Okay, let us explain with the example. See, here I have a diagram. Okay, from this point I started. A resistor is connected, then a resistor is connected, then nothing is connected, then a capacitor is connected, and I came back to this point. Fine, you understand? This means it is totally a closed loop, or you can say a path. Okay, now see the definition. Any path along various branches of circuits which are connected, or you can say that which finishes at the point where it is started. Okay, now next one is, what is mesh? Mesh is a loop that doesn't enclose other loop. Okay, let's see. Here we discuss that it is a loop. Now I take only this path. ठीक है, I move from A, then B, then a resistor, then capacitor, then come back to this point. In this case I didn't consider this path also. Okay, this means only this is known as mesh. Why we said this closed path is mesh? Why we can't say this path is loop? Because in this path no further loops are connected. Okay, and a mesh definition say that mesh is a loop that doesn't enclose other loops. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding to these definitions, then you can ask me in comment section.